Hello, I wanted to publish very important video tutorial how to create glass in Cinema 4D because none of the tutorials was really talking about that important topic. There are some options in V-Ray where we should pay attention on. Okay, I will I forgotten. I shouldn't do that. Because some keyboard shortcuts are different. Some of them I modified to work exactly like in Blender. We will create glass shader, and I will show you what options we need to consider. We have refractions. When you when you slider to that direction, in reflection we have to do the same. No one told me, no one was explaining how important it is. And also, when you play with glossiness, refer personal error, index of refraction, oh, I think both are important options. Wait a minute, this is to do probably with glass, with metal shader. We will check refraction, and now I will be able to apply. But none of the video tutorial was explaining how to use glass shader, unfortunately. So I'm a little bit upset. I will try to render. I will try to render the scene now to check how glasses are looking like. Characteristic experimental. Hopefully I will not have issue with memory RAM. Cinema 4D can eat up lots of RAM. In this case I have to shut down my web browser. Web browser was consuming lots of RAM and other things. Bear with me because I still have to shut down some of the processes. It's quite high usage, to be honest. I will try to render to see what will happen. It shouldn't suffer from R4. Oh no, I forgotten. I forgotten to exclude from render. Bottom dot is to do with exclusion from render. If you can see the red one on the top, on bottom is to do with render, but only you can see that when you add this object image reference to layer, add it to layer. It's easier to manage. Okay, now we will be rendering our glasses. Let me to save project. Sorry people, I forgotten to exclude from render. Because no one was explaining how to create realistic glass shader. I know it is possible, but none of the video tutorials were explaining exactly how to create glass shader, unfortunately. I didn't know if I use slider to set to white color, this would be visible. Okay. Oh no, I don't like color of hair. I have to darken hair. Did you know that I was using V-Ray hair shader? But Cinema 4D can render standard hair shader. Or you can see some reflections on glasses depending what angle you will be looking at this guy. Because it is visible, it should be visible, but our depending what angle if you will be looking at a different angle, you should see glass visibly. You can see some reflections of the lens of the glasses. At least my graphics card holds well. I have 8 gigabytes of VRAM. I wish I had bought a graphics card which had a little bit of more VRAM, at least 11 gigabytes. But that one, which had gigabytes of VRAM, was a little bit more expensive. I paid people like £250 for the graphics card, which I bought off eBay, ebay.co.uk. But the rest of the graphics card models were quite expensive, around £300. Oh, okay, that's fine. We have glasses, but I have to render once again. I think I will have to change some settings to apply color. Let's render in different angle to see what will happen. I think I will have to apply. Oh no, I cannot do that. I think I was wrong because I should be here to check for a new color. Ah, that was my fault because I should have selected that option, brightness. I don't know what brightness option does here. Diffuse roughness. No. I will leave that option. I will have to go to church in a minute. So that video tutorial is supposed to be accurate. Oh, we achieved the good results. I have to wait for final render to be completed. Oh no, this is really bad. I'm using almost all of my VRAM. I wouldn't do large projects. I'm planning to upgrade to 16-core CPU in near future. It's not too bad, but I have to turn some division on. Come on, Cinema 4D, you can do this faster. Also, make sure that you are using MSI Afterburner. Oh no, 39 plus degree. I have to increase speed of the fan. We can see how eyes look. The color I have changed because I was in a wrong section, so I have to change the color a little bit of the shader of refraction. I will get back to reflection. Now my color is looking okay. Okay, we have to change index of refraction little bit. That one now that setting should be okay. Okay, that's it. I hope you like my video tutorial how to create glass shader because I couldn't find a video tutorial. And have a nice evening, guys.